How to change address on EveryPlate. To change address on EveryPlate, it's rather quite simple to do so. Open the EveryPlate application and then you simply want to log in to your respective account by tapping the login option right there. Then once you go ahead and log in, go to your profile or your account. Then navigate to Manage My Subscription. Find the delivery and billing address section from there and click on the Add button. A form will appear where you can enter your new delivery address. And once you've done that, after entering your new delivery address, make sure to save the changes to update your EveryPlate account. Once done, you'll have successfully changed your address on EveryPlate. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.